in our landscape project, we're going to be taking 2 valve drawings and an installation drawing and combining them all in one file, making some blocks of them so we can use them later on, and printing them into one PDF so we can hand them to somebody to buy the right stuff and install things properly and things like that. So this is a Watts valve. Very familiar with this valve. It was one of the products that I worked with a lot in my engineering work. It's a special kind. It's called an RP valve, and it's common in large landscape projects. And we want to draw a presentation of it that we can use just to do some layout. So if I come down here to page 3, I see a presentation of it, and you're going to choose the 1-inch valve to do. And I've got a video on that shows you how to read this chart and draw that in a very simple way. Just enough to be what's called an installation drawing. Same thing for the little strainer. If we go down far enough, you'll see some pictures of the strainer, and this is the one we're going to draw. And again, it'll be a 1-inch, and there's some certain sizes. And we're going to do some very basic drawings of these. They'll all be in one file. Everything in one file. When we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and reproduce this, a version of this, and we're going to go ahead and put this onto a drawing too. So you don't need some of it. There's a video on what you do need and how to do it and how much detail you need or you don't need. And so this is your 3rd drawing to do. The goal is to take all 3 of those drawings in one file and put each of them on its own layout, and then print those layouts to a single PDF file. So that's one thing that you do. You put everything into one file, you print it, it's there all in one place. Contractor can look at it, the designer can look at it, the owner can look at it. It's all in one place, and you print them all to a PDF. The next thing you're going to do is make it easier to do this again some other time. And so you're going to make blocks out of these so that you can use the design center later on in your career or your job. And they're already drawn, so you'll just pull them into whatever drawing you need to use them all in. Okay, so you're going to make 3 drawings. You're going to present each one on its own layout, and then you're going to plot those layouts to one single PDF, and you'll submit that plus your DWG file. And in addition, you're going to create a block from each one. Now remember, this is one of your choices. There's mechanical, a landscape, and a graphic arts to choose from. But if this is your choice, then that's what the overview of this project